no visuals, no timestamps. 4. How to find game activation code on Steam for Ubisoft Connect 2025. Did you buy a Ubisoft game on Steam and now you need the activation code to launch it through Ubisoft Connect? Don't worry. Here's exactly how to find your activation key from Steam. Step 1. Open Steam and go to Library. First, open the Steam app on your PC or Mac. Click on the Library tab to view your list of purchased games. Step 2. Find and click the Ubisoft game. Locate the Ubisoft game you bought, for example, Assassin's Creed, Rainbow Six Siege, or Far Cry. Click on the game title. Step 3. Click the Settings or Manage menu. Once the game page opens, look to the right side or near the play button. Click on the gear icon or the drop-down for Manage. Step 4. Click CD key or product key. From the drop-down, select the option that says CD key or product key. This will open a small window displaying your activation code. Important note, Steam will automatically copy the key to your clipboard the first time you launch the game, and Ubisoft Connect will auto-detect it in most cases. But if you need to enter it manually, you can always come back and check it here. Step 5. Open Ubisoft Connect and enter the code. Now, open Ubisoft Connect and log into your Ubisoft account. Click on Activate a Key in the menu. Paste the activation code you got from Steam, and your game will be added to your Ubisoft library. Bonus tip: what if you don't see a key? Some newer Ubisoft titles use account linking, so no key is needed. Just make sure your Steam account is linked to Ubisoft Connect under Settings, Account Linking. And that's how to find your Ubisoft game key on Steam. Quick, simple, and secure. Was this helpful? Like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next, especially if you're stuck with any other launcher like Epic, EA, or Battle.net.